Dude, what is that? You've been doing it all morning.
Dude, I think I'm allergic to something. Achoo!
This is it. How can I help you?
Achoo!
Right. Sounds like a simple allergy. Just hold it in and get back to class.
You should never hold in a sneeze. It's very dangerous. Because your vertebrae may have slipped out of alignment, which could be a sign of something more serious.
Have a nice day.
We're gonna need to find an alternative to traditional medicine.
Did I hear someone talk about alternative medicine? So, the plan is to clean your energy by absorbing the toxins with the power of this unbreakable crystal. The power of these two unbreakable crystals. How does that feel?
Good. I think I
Don't worry, I've got a diploma in the ancient art of acupuncture.
Somebody please finish me off every second of my tragic existence is pure agony.